Hey guys, I'm Priyanka, Assistant Professor from Ratnam Technical Campus. So, the topics we are going to see about in computer networks is Introduction to Networks. A network is a set of devices that connected by a communication links. So, number of computer systems can be connected with the intercommunication system. So, what are the devices we are able to connect in computer networks are computers, printers, scanners. So huge number of devices can be able to communicate with the help of hardware devices by sending and receiving the data to the network. When we communicate, we are sharing informations. This local sharing can be able to communicate via network or else remote devices. So what are the characteristics are in networks? There are three characteristics. First one is delivery. The systems which delivers the data to the correct destinations. So what are the data we are communicating to the other in person? So that data should be in correct manner to reach the correct destinations. So second one is accuracy. So what are the data we are delivering to the end user? We have to deliver it in accurate manner. Third one is timeliness. So data which delivers in a given time. So these are the components involved in the computer networks process. So in between the transmission medium, so obviously having one sender and receiver. So they having some protocols with some rules and responsibilities taking over inside the devices for transferring the informations from one place to another. So first component thing is message. So it is the obviously information to be communicated from sender to receiver. So what are the informations can be able to transfer from one place to another are text, pictures, audio, video. Then next component is sender. So it is the devices which sends the data messages. It can be a computer, workstation, telephone, handset. Third component is receiver. So it is the devices which receives the data messages. So it obviously also a computer, workstation, telephone, handset, etc. So fourth one is transmission medium. So transmission medium is the physical path which is useful to communicate our messages from sender to receiver. So what are the example? We can able to communicate our messages through the sender and receiver is twisted path wire, coaxial cable, radio waves. So fifth one is protocol. So it is the set of rules and regulations to communicate the data. It represents the an agreement between the communicating devices without a protocol. Two devices may be connected but not communicating. So another topic is transmission modes. The way in which the data is transmitted from one device to another is transmission mode. It is also known as a communication mode. So each communication channel has a direction associated with it and provide the transmission media direction. Therefore, the transmission mode is also known as direction mode. So it having the three categories. First one is simplex mode, second one is half duplex mode, third one is full duplex mode. So these are the structures that represent under the transmission mode. First one is simplex mode. In simplex mode, the communication is unidirectional. That is, the information flow in one directional only. A device can only send the data but cannot be able to receive it. Or it can receive the data but cannot be able to send the data. Any other work only can be done approximately. Third one is radio station is a very much example during simplex mode. It transmits the signal to the listeners but never allows them to transmit back. Second one is hop duplex mode. A direction can be reversed, that is, the station can transmit and receive the data as well. So, the messages flow in both the direction but not at the same. So, what is the example of the hop duplex mode is the walkie-talkie. Third one is full duplex mode. In full duplex mode, the communication is in bidirectional. So the information can flow in both the direction, in sender also and obviously as a receiver also. Both the stations can send and receive the message simultaneously. Full duplex mode is the fastest mode of communication between two devices. The most common example of the full duplex mode is telephone network. So these are the basic comparison what we are beforely seen about the transmission mode. So thank you guys.